I like it. 안녕! Welcome to JiJi Planet! Yay! This week I'm having a class with the kids. I am doing musical theater for kids, Bangkok, and I've been doing this for 6 years now. Tomorrow we're gonna have a class, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Yay! So this is going to be my mini art class. So everyone, you have an A4 at home, so I'm gonna fold it like this, and rest of them I'm just gonna cut it. So I'm gonna fold it again, and let's cut it straight. So now we're gonna fold it half like this, and we're gonna fold it half again. So we want to make a flower. Doesn't have to be perfect, so we want to fold it just 2 times like this. And now you have a flower like a tulip. So now you want to fold it half again. Yeah, like this. That is a real ice cream cone. So remember this direction, and remember which one is actually the center. So you see, this is open area. We don't want this. This is the center area, this line. Like this line. Yeah. Now you can draw anything. So literally any shape. So I'm just gonna check the area I want to cut out. You want a little bit shorter than this area, this one. Kid's hand is really small, so what is the trick when you cut many paper like this? You have to open the scissor mouth bigger, and then you have to put it inside deeply, like this, all the way inside. This area also open wider. If you cut it here, it's very hard. So you want to open it. Tuk, tuk, tuk. I don't really know what is the result. I'm just gonna experiment. This is a really easy way to decorate your house. If you make many, so cute. So you ready? Ta-da! Yeah, let it go, let it go. This is really cute. Ta-da! Pretty cool, right? So let's say Mary. The letters. Ta-da! Like this. You can write the letters. So for me, Christmas is one of my favorite holidays because I can make the card. And always remember, believe